All right. We're live. AthleticRobots coming back with 2023 Mosaic Football 2 Cello boxes number 7. Welcome back. We're set to go here right now at 7:30 Central Time. So we'll open up these cards here. It won't take long. We'll put it on YouTube later though. There is a sweepstakes, no purchase necessary to enter or win. The link for that is on the eBay description or the Facebook group page. And so now we'll do the starting lineup and then we'll see if there's any unpaid teams. AJ Ruckdashell has the Niners, Greg Bisson, the Pats, David Machado, Commanders, Alan Krulik, the Steelers, Terry Boston, Giants and Bucks, Gregory Banks, Vikes and Jets, Pablo Andres Ramirez Lopez has the Panthers, Texans, and Jags. Nice lineup there. Terry Boston, Bills, Colts, Chiefs, Raiders, and Saints. Big Earn, Browns, Packers, and Dolphins. Chris Massey, Rams, Rodney Wild, Chargers, Eric Lohman, Ravens, Gary Mitsui Jr., Broncos, Mike Kellerman, Da Bears, Matthew Richardson, Lions, Travis Baker, Cowboys. That's the lineup.
Can you confirm for Matthew Firestone that his payment went through?
It looked like it was processing. So
No, for the Bengals last one.
Oh. How did he pay?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, $23. Yep.
Okay.
Venmo. Nice. So let's go ahead and see if there's any unpaid teams here. We do have the Falcons and Bengals, unpaid and available. Maybe let's see here. It might be processing though. Let's see here before we put it in the comments. Yeah, we'll leave that one alone. Looks like it's processing. So Robert Pomfrey, once that payment goes through, you'll have the Falcons and the Bengals. Same thing for Eric Parker with the Seahawks and Titans. It looks like the payment is processing still. But we do not have payment for the Cardinals.
He's a pretty frequent buyer, too.
Which is a repeat buyer, so we'll leave you alone there, John Belt. But we do need payment for the Cardinals. So like always, if we pull anything good for the unpaid teams, we'll go ahead and keep them. I don't know if we even... Yes, 2-boxer, Eric from eBay, yes. Looks like your payment is processing for the Seahawks and Titans. 64 Chevelle. I had a 72 Chevelle Malibu. That was my first car. It was dark brown. I want to say chocolate brown. I don't know what the official color is. Says it's complete on your side. All right. Yeah, it's probably just
It's a little slow.
delayed into the world of the interwebs. But yeah, you're all good, Eric. We got you. Let's pull some Will Levis, right? Went from 0 to hero. Just like that. I mean, what were the Titans even waiting for, right? Like they should have had him playing the whole time. All right, Cello number 1, kids. Best of luck. Josh Downs debut. Jacorian Bennett, B.J. Ojolari, Michael Pittman Jr. Mosaic. Green Shaq Leonard, Joe Montana Pank, Cooper Kupp, and Sean Alexander Mosaic. Thunderlane, Eric Dickerson. Cam Smith, Miles Murphy, Andre Reed Mosaic, Billy White Shoes Johnson Grind Panks, Ryan Tannehill, debut Devon Achan, Pank. There you go, fans. John Dotson and silver Jake Hainer debut. There you go, Saints. I don't know much about him other than he's probably not going to have much of a chance unless Derek Carr gets injured. But I want to think they might even have somebody else as backup. Jameis Winston. So, yeah, good luck there. I don't know why Jameis Winston doesn't get much more credit. He fills up the stats, but maybe
good ones and the bad ones.
He gets a lot of picks, huh? Jackson Smith and Jigba debut. Emmanuel Forbes, Will Anderson Jr., Mosaic, Devontae Adams, Tony Pollard, Grang, Banks, Garrett Wilson, J.C. Horn, Makai Blackman. There you go, Vikes. Green Thunderlane, Eric Dickerson. Oh! Number! Will Anderson debut, Will Anderson. Jair Brown, Mosaic, DJ Johnson. Grant, TJ Hawkinson, Panks, Ray Lewis, Brees Hall, Shaq Thompson. Mosaic Bang, Levante David. Picked in the end zone. That's always nice. Who is the quarterback right now for the Raiders?
Garoppolo.
Oh, so that's their guy. Throwing picks in the end zone. That's poop.
They just got the ball from the turnover, too.
Oh, dum-dum. Cameron Latu, Tank Dell, Mosaic, T-Law, National Pride. Jordan Addison, debut grind. There you go, Vikes. Bank. Cameron Jordan, Chandler Jones, Hawkinson. Touchdown Masters, Geno Smith, Mosaic. Achan debut. Darnell Wright, Jackson Smith and Jigba. Mosaic Trey Tucker. Mosaic Jameer Gibbs. Is that the case here? Lions. Yeah. Alright, there you go, Lions. Eli Manning green. Somebody paid.
Falcons and Bengals went through.
Yep, that's that's the other one. Nice. Panks, Urlacher, David Carr, and Anquan Bolden. Silver, Riley Moss, and silver, Jamar Chase. 2 silvers in a row. That's cool.
See that often.
Now, the Riley Moss is also the GOAT, but we'll case up the Jamar for now. The Broncos will surely frame that when they receive it. Middle of their living room. That's their fave. continuing on. CJ Stroud debut. We go Texans. Will Levis. Oh! We go Titans. Nice. Joey Porter Jr. Mike Quick. Mosaic. Michael Wilson. Grand Banks. Chris Jones. Cam Akers. Saquon. Mosaic Thunderlane. Mike Allstott. Laporta. Excuse me. You always gotta love it when they say that. Worst in the NFL.
That's good sound.
Kalijah Cansey, Michael Wilson, Anquan Bolden, Mosaic, Green, J.K. Dobbins, Pack, Stephon Diggs, George Kittle, Aiden O'Connell, Green Bang, Teddy Bruschi, and a Kitty Purger. Don't forget. Bijan debut. DeMarvion Overshown. Tavius Robinson. Luke Musgrave Mosaic. John Randall Green. Pax. Terrell Suggs. Michael Irvin. Zay Flowers. Here you go, Ravens. Green Bang. Brian Dawkins. Bryce Young, base. You go Panthers. Mekhi Blackman. Mac Jones. Mosaic National Pride. Green. Devani Chan. There you go. Nice. Fins. Pax. Joey B. National Pride. Deontay Johnson. Jordan Battle. Green Thunder Lane. Brees Hall. Dalton Kincaid, Stetson Bennett, Najee Mosaic, Kalijah Cansey Green, Pax, Randy Moss, Reek Woolen, Marvin Mims debut, Mosaic Elevate D-Hop. Last pack for me, this will put us in the middle. Zach Charbonnet debut, Joey Porter Jr., Kalijah Cansey. Got an H-An Mosaic debut. So we're getting all the H-Ans. Hutch Green, Panks, Ladinian Tomlinson, Tyreek Hill, and Durius the Goat Davis. Taking over the league. All right, let's do a little refresh. Hey, Big Iron. Okay. So, yeah, no payment yet, Eric, but it does look like it's still processing, so we'll keep an eye on that. And then no payment for the Cardinals as well. But all good. You've been in like 82 of our breaks at least, so it's fine.
Minimum.
I want to say you've been in the group for years. I don't know. All right.
Hey, Christopher. No teams available, I don't think. I think they're all spoken for. Oh, we got 12 more cellos.
Here we go.
Let's do it. DTR debut. Nolan Smith, Derek Hall. Anthony Richardson, Mosaic debut. Woo!
Yeah.
We go Colts. Green Eddie George. Pinks, Jerry Jeudy, Von Miller, and Keyshawn Johnson. Thunderlane, Darren Sproles, Mosaic. Got Trenton Simpson, Jake Hayner, Jay Ward, Mosaic, Cedric Tillman Green, Pink, Dexter Lawrence, Ramondre Stevenson, and Brian Breesy. Eric Parker, been in the group for years as well. I think that's who we were.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You heard what I was talking about.
AthleticRobots Hall of Famer. At Jake Moody. Bijan Robinson. There you go, Falcons.
Weren't you in here at first going for the Chargers, trying to get Herbert rookies?
Mosaic Debo. Green Emmett Smith. Pink Art Monk. Hendon Hooker debut and Big Ben. Mosaic Roy Williams. Got Lucas Van Ness, Christian Gonzalez, Quentin Johnston Mosaic, Chargers, Green Nolan Smith, Pink, Amari Cooper, Drake London, and Darnell Wright. Green Travis Kelce, Epic Performers. Hurts, big Eagles fan. Okay. Oh, that payment. What one was that?
Yep, that's
Oh,
him.
there
That's
you
Eric.
go.
Went through, Eric. Thank you.
You got him. Will Levis debut. Right on cue. There you go, Eric.
That is on cue.
Will McDonald, Jonathan Mingo, Mosaic Charles Woodson, Green Brian Branch, Pink Tua, Cameron Jordan, and Rashee Rice. Yo, Chiefs. It's real nice.
Yeah. Yeah, otherwise we'd be watching that one. Peyton Manning and then Ross tonight.
Oh. Not that our Hulu would have it. It's so weird. Sometimes it has it, sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah, our Hulu is stupid.
Got Jordan Battle, Cedric Tillman, Mosaic John Randall, Green A.J. Brown, Pink Dak Prescott, Nick Bosa, and Jackson Smith and Jigba. That's nice. Seahawks. Green Josh Jacobs, Touchdown Masters. All right, 6 cellos to go. Dalton Kincaid debut. Clayton Tune, Roshan Johnson, Mosaic Roquan Smith, Green Henry Eller. There he is. He does exist more than the one card that I noticed. Pink Clinton Portis, Jerry Rice, and Nolan Smith. Green Roquan Smith Bang. Anthony Richardson debut. Go Colts. Trenton Simpson, Jake Hayner. Woo! Jahmyr Gibbs Mosaic, number 2. There you go, Lions. Green Geno Smith, Pink Nick Chubb, Cordero Patterson, and Russell Wilson. Mosaic Levante David. Jahmyr Gibbs debut. Zach Charbonnet, Jordan Addison, there you go, Vikes. Mosaic Roger Staubach, Green Amon-Ra, Pinks Gabriel Davis, Darrell Revis, and Darnell Wright. Green Drew Brees, Elevate. Did we get an SP in our last cellos? I don't. There's no way we can go 2. We'll just say we did. No way we can go 2 straight without an SP. Gotta throw something in here. Throw us a bone.
Yeah. We did go 1 break without getting one. I don't know if that was the last one or not.
Will McDonald, Jonathan Mingo, Dalton Kincaid, Mosaic. There you go, Bills. Green, Stephon Diggs. Pink, Terrell Davis. Luke Kuechly, and another's Jackson Smith and Jigba. Seahawks. Green, Joe Burrow, Touchdown Masters.
It's definitely a possibility to get no SPs and Cellos.
Definitely.
Pretty streaky, though. We've done really well, too, at the same time.
That's where our first micro mosaic came.
Yep.
Charlie Jones, Hendon Hooker, Mosaic Dallas Goddard, Green AJ Terrell, Pinks Ryan Tannehill, Devon Chan. There you go, Fins. It's an Achan break.
Yeah.
Pink Jahan Dotson, Silver Dwight Stevenson. And the last cello of the break. Come on, big banger. CJ Stroud debut. Texans. DeMarvion Overshone, Tavius Robinson. Mosaic Kyler Murray. Green DK Metcalf. Pink Julio Jones, Jerome Bettis, and Brian Breesy. Green Fred Warner Bang to end it.
Bang, bang.
Congratulations. All right, let's recap these hits. Thank you, Eric. Hope to see you back for next week's breaks. All right, we'll start with the debuts. We got C.J. Stroud, Will Levis, Anthony Richardson, C.J. Stroud, and the base, Jordan Addison, Bijan Robinson, Bryce Young, and Will Levis. All right. And the Prism hits. Got the silver, Jamar Chase. Green, Devonna Chan. Jordan Addison debut. Pink, Devonna Chan debut. Zay Flowers, Rashee Rice. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Devonna Chan debut. And the Mosaics, Dalton Kincaid, Jahmyr Gibbs. Anthony Richardson debut. Devonna Chan debut. And Jahmyr Gibbs. Sounds good, Eric. We'll see ya. All right, that will do it for this break and this week of breaks. Won't be having any breaks Friday, but we will be back Saturday with Mosaic Blasters, Cellos, and Megas.
Oh, yeah!
Everything you could ever wish for. So, we will see ya.